Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody sent me this photograph of it's a JPEG. Let's see how big this thing is. It's pretty little. It's only a couple inches big. So let's just move it out of the way for a second. And this is what he's wanting to figure out how to do. Pretty easy. You do need to make, if you're going to do it pretty close, and you need to be careful using this logo because it's the major schools or probably any school. But you could, you can move the and around and make it smaller with the shape tool. Let's make this thing like 18 points and see what it does. And, you can move it around individually. Then you can move your M. It actually made our M a little bit bigger. So let's go Control K and break this apart. Control K again. Break them all apart. Control K. So now every letter is individual. So we can squeeze this M in, make it look a little bit more like the logo. Now here's what I would suggest doing. I would take all the text and convert it to a curve. Then if we're going to try to match this logo, let's get the parallel dimension tool and figure out the distance from there to there is only 0.22 of an inch. So if you will change your nudge factor to 0.22 of an inch, grab your shape tool, grab all these nodes and just move it down that 0.22. This way both your everything will be equal. You do need to want to make sure you get all the nodes like that and move it down. That's pretty easy. The text might be not dead on, and you can always make this line right here very easily, 2-point line. Hold down the control button so you get a perfect line, and then you can make it thicker or thinner. Let's say 3 points, probably 2 points. And that's like anything else. You don't have to use the numbers that Corel gives you. There's 2 points. You could make it 1.95 points if you think that's a little bit better. And then change your nudge factor a little bit, something lower, 0.001, and just nudge it up to where you think it looks the best. So in that short of time, you've got a logo that looks pretty close to that. And like I said, I would just be careful using it because their A&M is pretty strict, as all the major schools are. And then I can see that needs to go down to probably to that line. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.